everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to operate the Excel with the keyboard. For this, first of all, open the Excel in your system. Type Excel in the search box and open the Excel. I'm having Excel 2019 in my laptop. Now click on blank workbook. This is the Excel screen when you're opening the Excel for the first time. There certain options are there. Certain tabs are there like Home, Insert, Page Layout, as you're able to see here. So right now we will be typing some of the text in the Excel sheet. For this, start typing. Let's type here Computer Experts. It's better than the best. And now I will change the font size of this text which I've entered here. For this, select the text. And now you have to press the Alt key from the keyboard. Right. When you press the Alt from the keyboard, then the certain highlighted keys are visible on the screen. So for home tab, like you have to press the H, right? Now press the H from keyboard and now see the corresponding key for font size, which is FS. Press the FS from the keyboard to change the font size of the text. And now type here manually from the keyboard, like I'm typing 35. Now the font size will change, right? And now I want to change the color of this text. For this, see the corresponding highlighted key by pressing the Alt and pressing the H, and after that see here it's FC, right? To change the color, the key is FC. Press FC from the keyboard and now select the color, desired color which you want. Like here I have done it red, and now you can take any other color which you wish. Again, repeat the same keystrokes, which is H, FC. Alright, and now change the color to blue. In this way you can operate with the keyboard, right? You can also try some other options also over here. Press the Alt button and see the certain highlighted keys again. Now we want to use the insert option. For this, press the Alt N. After pressing the Alt N from the keyboard, the insert options are highlighted with certain keys. Now press the corresponding keys for inserting. For example, we want to insert here the symbols. For this, press ZS from the keyboard and press E again for inserting the equation. I have selected here this equation. You can select according to your desired one. Okay, now we'll try some other options also here. Now we will enter the word art in the Excel. For this, first of all, press the Alt N, then press ZT from the keyboard. After that, press W for the word art. And now here select the option which you want to use for the word art. Like I'm selecting some of these. Now type your desired text into the Excel screen straight away. It can be any of the text, any of the color. If you want to change it, you can also change the color. Hey, it's cool now? Yeah. So you can try your another border also. In this way, you can operate the Excel with the help of keyboard. And if you want to use another options, press the Alt button from your keyboard and see the corresponding keys highlighted, and you can use those keystrokes for operating on the Excel, right? I think it's a cool feature when you're not having the mouse and you have to work with the keyboard, right? So I'm showing you another option of data validation. For this, press corresponding keys, press Alt from the keyboard, then press A, and then press V for validation, and again press V for validation, right? This will open the validation option on the screen, and now here you can use the validation option according to your desired need. In this way you can use the Excel with the help of keyword. I hope you have understood how to use the Excel with the help of keyword, and if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to press the like button, and those who are new to the channel, hey, don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay connected for the further videos of the channel. Working with a keyboard ensures to hide some of the keystrokes from your colleagues when you're working together, so that they may not know what you're doing on the screen. Of course they will know it, but it's quite difficult for them to guess what you're doing, right? For example, if you want to make the text italic, then press Alt from the keyboard, press H, and press 2 from the keyboard for making the text italic. And if you want to make it underline, then press 3, and also press the corresponding highlighted keys for performing the particular task. Alright, for double underline, you have to press 3. Now let's enter some of the numeric text in the Excel. Now I want to perform the auto sum. For this, you have to press the Alt button and then press the H and then press U for the auto sum, and for sum press S. Right. And if you want to calculate the average, then you have to press A. And now let's highlight the auto sum with some color. Now if you I want to calculate the average, then let's copy the text from the screen, paste it over here, and now I want to calculate the average of these numbers. For this, select the range. Alright, and now press the Alt H from the keyboard, and for order sum press U from the keyboard, and then again press A for the average. Now the average has been calculated to 30. Now we will highlight it with red color. In this way you can operate the Excel with the help of keyboard. That's all for today. Me, Suman, signing off from Computer Experts. Those who are watching the Computer Experts for the first time, consider subscribing the channel. This